Is anybody home? Huh? Okay. Santa, here they come. Here they come. Say trick or treat.
Hi.
Say hi.
Are you a skunk?
Yeah, she's a skunk.
How cute.
Can't smell
I
her
don't have
coming.
candy, but I have
Okay.
kiwi bars.
Say
It's
thank
chocolate,
you.
though. Thank you.
She's getting the concept down. All right. Say bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Have a good night.
You too.
Come on, get in your buggy.
Get her a little buggy.
Yeah. Have a good one.
You too.
Oh, you're not leaving it. She got possessive of that one. I put the bucket on the ground, she started crying. You ain't leaving your bucket. You see her with her hand held out? She's like, give it to me.